This is how we foam roll your quads. This is how we foam roll our quads. Okay, so quads in the front of the upper leg here. Okay, try to apply pressure with the roller. So focus on one at a time. Even if you have a long roller, still try to distribute your weight as much as you can to just one side at a time. Okay, so I'm starting kind of in the middle of my quads here, getting the upper part of it. And then I can turn my torso a little bit. I'll get more of the upper outer part of my quads. We're trying to get the full cross section of the quads there. And then I'll turn my torso the other way, get more of the upper inner part of my quads. Okay, and then I'll reposition the roller a bit, get more of the lower part of my quads. And again, tilt my torso, I'll get lower outer. Get some lower inner quads. Okay. And that's how we foam roll our quads.